It's wonderful to be a judge with the HSJ Awards. I get the opportunity to see fantastic practice that's happening across the country that's focused on best practice for patients, families and carers. If you're thinking about entering an HSJ Award, please do it. This is a wonderful opportunity to showcase what you're doing and to share this with other service providers and other commissioners.
I think the big thing with the HSJ brand is its distribution. Most staff in most of the trusts actually see the HSJ. That's a big part of it. The distribution within the NHS is massive.
I went through the process last year because we put a submission in 2016 and we found the whole process very rewarding. It brings the team together. You have to put a written submission together, and then when we found out we were shortlisted, it gave the whole team a lift. The advice I would give to anybody sat on the other side of the table being judged is just to relax. I think you've also got to keep to the time. There's 10 minutes for the presentation. I think you've got to work very hard on that presentation to get your key points across, and then you need to sit back and be prepared for the questions from the panel and ask them as succinctly as you can without elaborating too much.
I looked for scalability. I think having a project that has been written up here, be able to scale for the whole trust. Again, not just for one clinician or one hospital, but to really benefit the patient.
I would recommend anyone to enter the HSJ Award and not be scared by it and not be nervous by it, because there is a tendency for us to work in silos, not see the good work that other people are doing. And this is a really good way of sharing that best practice, so bring it all together in one room. A lot of work goes on before people get to delivering a presentation. There's a great deal of rigour behind that. I think if you actually get to the point where you're delivering a presentation to a panel of judges, you should be very proud, because to actually get to that point means that your project, your initiative has passed all the criteria that we've asked for.
I think the judging process is really interesting because there's already been a short list of participants selected and we get to be in the same room. I think it's a great process to really get a sense of the nuance of the work that they're doing and the impact that they're having.
Anyone considering entering an HSJ Award, if you've got a good idea and a project which you think other people will be interested in, it's a great way to share, and it's a great way to become noticed for your hard work.
From my perspective, the HSJ brand is really synonymous with what's going on in the health service and really at the cutting edge of what's happening.
It's a real opportunity for us to learn about good practice, across the country, and also learn about how we can scale and spread some of the really great things that are happening. So not only will you be giving an opportunity to showcase your service, but you'll learn an awful lot from everybody else.